Hi, my friends of AI. We get new presents, Oobabooga 2.3, and yes, we try to install it. Well, it is not so um, important to install it, but to see if it runs with all our plugins, extensions, and yes, that's the interesting part, I guess. Uh, I'm pretty sure they tested it that it runs from scratch if you do a new install. That's not the problem. So let's see what we have. So now we start with all our lovely extensions running. Um, I guess one of the last videos or before was this Oobabooga V2, and please just install it and leave it alone. This, from what I read and hear in some comments about it, is it has, well, it's not running as you think it's intended. It just runs in the chat as a long-term memory. So don't do anything, just let it run and it will do its job. If you want to do rec extension like um, uh, going for links or giving a text, use Oobabooga. We do this in one of the next video. We install Oobabooga, see if it runs. I had it run on 1.9 or something like this, so I guess it's possible to, if we can install Oobabooga V2, we can get Oobabooga to run. So yeah, but first let's see if we can update our lovely, just to
To
remember.
see you. I've been.
So that's what we have already, and this is, I looked up this error is really to Gradio. They have really problems with them, I think over 1 or 2 years, and they cannot really get rid of this. Especially it's like Gradio is rendered and our extension do also a rendering command, and Gradio has big problems with that. So, but I don't have any mail functioning in Oobabooga, so we ignore this for now. So yeah, just to just to just to get on the same information. That's what we installed. Um, I unticked this because the server was down, and then you cannot start Oobabooga. So it's a nice extension, but keep this in mind. If you want to import characters, yeah, you can just click it and start it. But otherwise, you have to edit. I show you. Here is a. It will, if this is set, it will not start. So you have really to go here to text generation UI, and this is settings, not template, it's settings.yaml, and you see it's not in here, but it was in here. You just have to delete the line, and that's everything. So all the plugins are with a bit of information are loaded here. So just to as a quick update. So yeah, so let's Control C, and now we try update wizard, and then yeah, update web UI. Let's see what happens. I get this. We have to run this twice. This just makes a diff with git. Then the second run it will install a update the web UI. Yeah, now it does the magic. Um, interesting, which is great. The UI should get much faster because of this here, Morph DOM. And what is also great is Transformers is updated. I had a lot of problems with this with old models. And flash attention is updated, which is also a great information, because this makes some uh, models really fast if you can use flash attention. So I'm back if this is installed. So my friends, I'm back, and yeah, we got a few errors related to Conquy. And yeah, it's a stupid error. It says it wants at least 4462 and we have 448. And I guess this is Transformers is downward compatible. So this is a stupid error and we ignore it. We will see if it starts, but I guess this will not have any impact on our Oobabooga. So we hit no. And yeah, let's start again and look close to the log files, what happens. Yeah, it all starts, and also Conquy gets green, so I don't think we run in trouble with that. I'm really interested if our Guardio error goes away. Not sure about this, but let's see. So we load this again.
To see you. I've been.
And no, this is this stays with us. Yeah, let's see. Also the plugins, it's like they get loaded. Yes, we can also start this again. I put this out. I told you. Let's see. Yeah, it loads again. So their server is up again.
To see you.
So let's see. Yes, it is functioning. And let's see. We have the branch button, and we have something new here. I'm not sure. Let's load the model. And you see now I load the whole model in the RTX 3090 because I can do it. I just show it how to run a model over two cards, just to let you know. Yeah, well, it's all the same. Um, I just remembered I read about, and I had this error one or two times, that streamlining NLM, if you have a Q4 and run it over two cards, you get errors. So I'm not completely sure if it loads, if you load it just in one card. should run fine. Let's find it out. And I could also deselect the row split because we don't need it, yeah. And just I was curious about I don't know how to where you can see the version of Oobabooga. That's really something I really thought about session or what else, but in the UI, I guess you cannot see on which versions we run. Yeah, so maybe somewhere here, but I guess not. So it's loaded now, and we just make a quick check, like we delete this here, remove the last reply, and see. Hi, how are you? Oh yeah, das ist fast. It's just.
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Just been really.
I guess that is Conqui. I really find that Celero is a bit quicker than Conqui, but yeah, it depends on what you want. If you really have long answers, you need Conqui, and also if you want to have your own voice, yeah, or you cloned, it's also the easiest way to do it. So the update works. We are fine. See you.